Breaking news. Oil prices are surging due to conflict in the Strait of Hormuz. We're diving into the details and the potential global impact. The oil market is experiencing significant volatility, triggered by geopolitical events. Here's a look at the current numbers. Crude oil jumped 0.79% to reach $81.65 a barrel, reflecting a sharp reaction to supply concerns. This surge puts crude oil on track for its biggest weekly gain since 2022, rising roughly 18% in value. What's driving this massive price spike? The primary cause points directly to the Strait of Hormuz. The underlying conflict involving Iran has escalated, creating instability around a critical global shipping route. The conflict has effectively resulted in the closure of the Strait of Hormuz for oil transport, a vital channel for global energy. This strait is critically important, as it handles approximately 20% of the entire global oil supply. The closure has sent shockwaves through the market, sparking fears of wider economic consequences. Investors and markets are now gripped by the fear of prolonged supply disruptions, which impact stability and pricing. Such a major disruption in oil supply could lead to significant global economic repercussions, affecting everything from manufacturing to transportation. In conclusion, the situation at the Strait of Hormuz highlights the fragility of global oil supply chains. The current oil market is highly volatile, largely driven by geopolitical risk and fears of continued scarcity. All eyes are on the Strait of Hormuz and diplomatic efforts to restore stability and ensure the flow of oil, which will determine the future price trajectory.